Hey everybody, welcome back. Mini Max 1030R build. I have run out of cable on the last episode. If you remember, for this other rudder right here, made that one run. Luckily, I have a good friend, and over there shares DNS Farms with me, and we just happen to have some cable there. It's actually a better quality cable. I'm gonna go ahead and run that cable. And the temperature's warmed up a little bit. Would you believe it? It's a beautiful day here in southeastern Virginia. But I gotta do a little cable management. I got the elevator cable here, and I got these harness strap cables. The harness strap cables are gonna come out to about right here is where the harness is gonna hook. I ain't figured out what I'm doing here yet. Might put a little glove box there, I don't know. But I gotta do something. If you can see down in there and get this cable up. I got these cut out. So what we're gonna do is run that cable, put these on. It's warmed up to do some gluing today. I'm glad you could join me. I know everybody's real busy, got lots of stuff to do. First thing I'm gonna do is sand a little bit of this varnish off where I have the, where I'm gonna put this. I'm gonna put my first one right here. Put one there. Put another one right here in the middle. You can see that. Another one right here. See that off. All right. We'll put another one right there. Seeing that off. All right. We mix some epoxy up. I haven't mixed any epoxy up in, I don't know, a couple weeks, I guess. There we go. It's been so chilly. I've been out of wood and stuff so much that I haven't done any gluing hardly at all lately. So it got up to 60-something degrees today. Beautiful day today. It's beautiful. Remember, when your heart's right, sunshine will follow you around. Don't forget that. That's the truth. All right. Clamps. Let me see here. Like I told you, a lot happens behind the scenes that doesn't get videoed. I put a bunch of varnish on here and there in between during the warmer days, trying to find something to do while I'm waiting on all these materials. All right, there's one ready. This spot. Okay. Hope you all had a great day today, like I did. Time sure flies anymore, I'll tell you that. You know, I was hoping to get this done, but by the end of the year, but that's not going to happen. It's not going to be realistic, considering all the parts I'm missing and the temperature coming up. The time to get my wing done was a week or two ago, not in the middle of the winter. That looks good. Like that. Right, one more. How are you doing? This one I'm gonna put the harness cables inside there too. I still gotta put some stuff up for the harness cable. Still got more cable management to go. We'll put a bumper in there, a little rubber bumper there. Hey, look, all this stuff you got that ain't fastened inside of this is gonna rattle like crazy when you go and run it around and stuff. So you want everything to pretty well be tied off, in line, all kinds of stuff. All right, let's run this. Let's take care of that for now. Let's run this other rudder cable. It looks like I've ever seen Mini-Max. They cut me about 10 feet short. It was supposed to be 70, and that sounds about right, but it was only 60 showed up. It's been having problems like that all along. Goes up here. No matter what you mess with, whenever you mess with a line, a cord, a hose, always gets caught on something, don't it? Never fails. You just figure it out ahead of time. We want things to be too easy, will we? Be pretty boring. Alright. I gotta run that back through here. Of course, I gotta take this right back off to put the eyes and the clamp on, but I'm gonna get the length right, get it cut, and get it marked. I'm still gonna have to do some notching here and there. The stuff goes through. When you come back, I'm probably gonna have this flipped upside down so I can put on the tail wheel turn bar in that bolt, drill that hole. I haven't done that yet. I'll get that done. I can mind before I get this cable hooked up to that. Got the rudder cables in. That ain't right. There we go. Rudder cable in. I gotta put the spring in here. I'll go to the hardware store and get a spring. I'm gonna get one 2 inches shorter than this because it's gotta be tension on both of them. It's gotta be a light enough spring though. It doesn't break my little wooden pedal to push it in and out. And then you see the cables going down through there. Elevator cable coming in. I'm waiting on one little piece of pipe to finish so I can go ahead and put the control stick in and be done with that. But you get down here and look at this. You got tail wheel cable, rudder cable, elevator control, harness. And up here I gotta do something. I'm gonna have to put me something right there. Right there, I believe. And possibly right over here too. Like I said, you don't want things slapping around. Well, thanks for watching. We'll get back with you. Next video, we're going to do some more stuff. Maybe we'll go ahead and get these flaperons working. But here's where the tail wheel cable comes over here, and it comes out right there. So I'm going to put that bar on right there, that bar right there. I still don't have these components. As soon as they come in, I'll put them in. Hope you have a great evening. Hope you thought about more important things than what you can see with your eyes. If you know what I'm talking about, look up. Take care.